Welcome down to Legoland Windsor. We're actually going to start at the cinema, but whilst we're walking past, we can see a new spot shot, which we guess is going to be a new HB game being installed probably for summer. Can't imagine it moving much over the summer period. Utilises a bit of space as well, but construction or deconstruction is continuing on the cinema. As we approach the cinema, we can see mission to save the posters is over. That building has gone as deconstruction continues here. Even the fire door's gone. That's where we've got to now. Although we can still see the boards inside the control center there. So it looks like it's all sort of still in there. Again, expect most of it to be saved. Let's get a closer look. Yeah, it's really come down here. The main building is down. What was the screen is down. Entrance is down. Tent is down. It's been cleared massively actually. There was still quite a lot of stuff on site, but that has all come down now. Yeah, the mission to save the poster is definitely over. I hope someone saved that poster. The rubbish you can see over the back kind of looks like all that's left, to be honest, although they have still got to clear around the back and indeed the control booth as well, because all of it's going. The ground area has been completely cleared. It's still on a bit of a slope. I'm guessing they will need to flan it out, much like they did for Minifigure, in fairness, to build that. And the fire extinguishers are hanging on there, you know, just in case. There's the cinema. So the cinema is coming down quite quickly, which is good to see. Now, last time we were here, down in Knight's Kingdom, we had Merlin's Challenge and Dragon's Apprentice undergoing their yearly maintenance. Well, now it's moved. We expect them to be open when we get down there, to the Dino Coaster, which is currently closed. We don't like to film inside the area, but actually this is probably a better view anyway. As you can see, there are a couple of carriages left on the track which haven't been taken off quite yet, and there's a couple that are off and the seats are left in there while chassis are removed, but this is undergoing its winter maintenance. I mean, we call it winter maintenance because that's what people understand, but where it's a 365 park nearly, it's just yearly maintenance is what we're going to have to start calling it. But it's well underway here on Dino Coaster. From the exit gate, you can see that the cars themselves, the shells are left here, obviously while the chassis are taken off for NDT testing. Last time we were at the park, we could actually see into sort of the Viking area. From here, we could see how much had been deconstructed, and of course broke you that the lift hill had gone. We do have new fencing up now, which has come right the way down. I'm a bit surprised actually they didn't remove this platform for putting the fencing up. Everything on there seemed to have gone. It hasn't quite made it around here yet, but again, I don't think it's going to be too long as all this side panel is still here. Now we know in the middle it's fairly clear. We've been bringing you that it's fairly clear. We've got a few shots from up the top as well, which I'm going to put in now before we head round the other side and see if we can get anything from there. So from Spinning Spider, we can see that work around the side there really has picked up pace, and we'll get a close-up of that really shortly. We can see round to where they are currently deconstructing down the back area. The station bit here, which we will also zoom in on shortly, is still standing as well. It's coming along quickly. It's definitely changing every time we look at it, for sure. Right, let's get some close-ups of here before we finish in Miniland with Vikings. It's hard to get views down here at Viking River Splash. What we've just shown you here is loads of dirt, absolutely loads. And there's still some concrete to come out down the bottom as well. That's not done by any means. As we said, it's going to be quite a long project. I don't think they're as close to finishing it as what some people might think they are. It's a lot clearer in the middle, we can definitely see that, but there's a lot of rubble to remove. Now, from the view we got from just down there, it looks like the turntable has gone. The station area looks really, really clear up against the fence, which used to be the path going down to Spinning Spider. that looks clear. We did bring to you last time the lift hill had gone. That's definitely not there for sure. And the area is looking clear, but it is harder to get views. There's still quite a lot to remove though. We are actually going to end the update with Model Watch. Now I have to say, I'm questioning myself as to whether or not I've seen these walking into Pirate Shores. I'm not 100% sure. Particularly questioning whether I've seen these ones before. Okay, this one is definitely new. An expression, even the facial expressions with seagulls on the head, these are the kind of ones I like to see, they really are. Had a feeling this was going to be home to some models, and indeed it is down in Pirate Shores. It looks like they're fighting with baguettes. Don't quote me on it, but it does look like they are fighting with baguettes. The little models which were along the top actually have gone. Actually, I think they've been quite nice to have those still. But obviously these are full scale, these do look really good. Fencing has now been finished down here at the Pirate Burger Kitchen. So all this is done. The guns aren't back quite yet. We will just say that they have removed drinks from the offering, and that's highlighted here. But this is actually a really good price. This is hot dog and fries for £8.50. Of course, there are water stations around. You can bring a bottle, get free water if you don't want to buy a drink with it, but you can buy drinks as well. And while we're here, the pass holder deals are very much on here, and they were better here than any other park. Better than anywhere. The Lego fries are just something else, they really are. You have to get them if you come to the park. Then right next door to the pass holder deals is a couple more new models. Look at these. He's got fried eggs, look. Again, it's the detail on the vest. Bearing in mind they need to make these 3D models, when you kind of look at them as little Lego models in your hand, they would be flat and it wouldn't matter, but here they've got to think of everything, all angles and all sorts. They just look brilliant. As we move into Knight's Kingdom, we also have new models. Look at these. Must be one of my favourites, look. Still doing battle. I can't wait to see if they've installed any more throughout here. No centrepiece model back here yet, but as we did say, Merlin's Challenge and Dragon's Apprentice are back open after their yearly work. Let's see if we got any more models kicking around here. Again, I'm now doubting myself whether this shop one was here or not. Was he here? I think this one could be my favourite model, in honesty. Down by Merlin's Challenge, we have a few more models down here. So we had the pigs, and the stonemason, and the fire, and now we have chickens. There seems to be a mass gathering over here of something. I'm guessing someone's dropped something in the pool. The poor guys had to go in. There we have it, Legoland Windsor. It's all go here, all the time, all go at the moment. You've got two massive projects ongoing for consecutive years over the next couple of years, but of course you've got even little touches this year happening as well. They have a yearly maintenance schedule, much like Paulton's Park do, and it's good to see as well. We know Chessington do some late on in the season, but Legoland, they make sure now that they're going to get everything open pretty much all year round, so we're seeing it happen during the open season, which is absolutely fine with me. It's all advertised on the website, you can see before your visit. The models, I love the models. It's kind of the reason even I still come to Legoland. Who doesn't like Lego, let's be honest? Who really doesn't like Lego? And the models are fantastic. They're really, really cool to see. Lots going on here at Legoland Windsor. What project are you looking forward to? Let us know in the comments.